Hello, Ella here from Trevor. So sometimes when you have a formatted worksheet in Google Sheets, it can be an issue for when you want to import a data query from Trevor. So when that happens, obviously there's a couple of steps you can try. If the issue is persisting and the formatting is just preventing that import, we do have a workaround that you can do here. So if you add another sheet to the bottom of your workspace and then import the data in here. And then what you can do is go into the formatted sheet, and then in whichever cell you want the data to be pulled, just hit the equals sign, and then hop back into the sheet where you've imported the data, choose where you want to start from, hop back into this formatted sheet, hit enter, and that will pull that first cell. But then you can actually just drag down here and it will fill in the rest of the data. And you can also drag across the cells as well, and it will fill in anything from this data import sheet. So this will also update live as well. It will continue to pull that information from that sheet as that changes based on what's pulling from the query. If you have any issues with this at all, just give us a shout. Just hit the help button, and one of the team will reach out. And best of luck.